Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a Facebook page event. Okay, first things first, what you want to do to proceed is to open up your Facebook page. Now that you are currently in your Facebook main page, head to your menu. It can be in the top right or the bottom right depending on what device you are using, if it is an Apple or an Android. In here, what you want to do is to press the events. And now that you are in the events page, what you want to do is to start your own by pressing the plus button. Now that we are here in the event customization page, we can now proceed in customizing our own event according to your own liking, like adding the event title, event date, and etc. And once you are done, just press the create event and it will automatically create your event. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now create Facebook page event. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.